Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix GOG Galaxy won't launch on Windows. So in order to solve this problem, you can try the simple steps. First of all, go ahead and reinstall the GOG Galaxy and install it through the control panel or the settings app. To do this, you need to click on the search bar and type in control panel. Open it and go to the program section and click on uninstall a program or remove a program, or you can directly search for it on the search bar as well. Find the GOG Galaxy and uninstall it. After uninstalling, download it again and check if the issue is resolved. Another solution is to check your antivirus and firewall settings to make sure that the GOG Galaxy isn't blocked or quarantined. Also, some users have had issues with the other programs interfering with the GOG Galaxy. Try uninstalling recently installed programs or use clean boot mode to find any potential conflicts. And this is how you can go ahead and fix the GOG Galaxy not launching on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.